Hello. Today we'll focus our attention on different body sensations during our guided meditation. To help anchor our awareness to our present moment experience, we will use the sensation in our bodies. As you meditate, you may find that your mind wanders away from your anchor, which is also known as the object of meditation. Try to notice when your mind has wandered and gently bring your attention back to the sensations in your body without making judgments. We're not trying to stop the mind from thinking, as it is the nature of the mind to think. By learning to notice when the mind has wandered away and gently bringing it back over and over again to our present moment experience, we can train the mind to focus better. Let's begin by getting into our meditation position. Let your feet rest on the floor. Hands resting in your lap, eyes closed. See if you can keep your spine straight while your muscles relax around it. Listen for the sound of the bell. Now, take 3 deep breaths. Ready? Inhale and exhale. Slowly inhale and exhale. Breathe in and let it go. Now, find any object in your room to focus on. It can be anything: a mug, a flower, a vase. Just bring all your focus to this object. Do not take your attention away from this object. Now, slowly blink your eyes every time I give a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, as your mind relaxes a little with this exercise, bring your attention to your eyes. Focus on how your eyes feel, and then gently close your eyes. How do your eyes feel? Do you feel any tension in them? Take a deep breath and exhale. With this exhalation, imagine all the tension of your eyes leaving your body. Now, bring your focus to the back of your head. Feel the surface on which your head is resting. How does it feel? Take a deep breath in and exhale all the negativity from it. Now, bring your awareness to your nose. Feel each breath going in and coming out. Feel the air traveling, and with each breath going in, feel your mind relaxing. Now, exhale and let go of any tension in your nose. Now, focus on your ears. Notice how they feel and what they hear around you. Try to hear every single noise, but let them not disturb your mind. Let them come and go like waves. Inhale. And exhale all tension from your ears. Now, bring your awareness to your mouth. Imagine biting into your favorite fruit. Feel the burst of flavor in your mouth. How does it feel? Is the tension making it difficult to relish the taste of your favorite food? Inhale all the positivity and exhale all negative feelings or emotions from your mouth. Take a deep breath in and move your focus to your neck. Release any tensions there as you exhale. Notice how your neck feels right now and just feel all the sensations in your neck. Now, let's move to your shoulders and slowly bring your attention to each arm, all the way to your fingertips. Feel what your fingertips are touching right now. Do you feel any tension there? Imagine all the stress leaving them as you breathe out. Good, you are doing very well. Now, let's focus on your chest. Relax your chest and your upper back. Release all the tension that you feel in your back as you push your breath out and exhale. Now, bring your attention to your beating heart. Feel it beating strongly. Let the relaxation reach your heart and notice how good it feels to do so. Inhale all good energy and exhale all negative energy. Good, you are feeling lighter already. Now inhale and bring your focus to your lungs. Feel them gently expanding and contracting with each breath. With each inhalation, take in the fresh air. As you exhale, push out all negativity, all the bad air from these lungs. Now, slowly feel your focus moving down to your vital organs and digestive system. How does your stomach feel? How it effortlessly functions to support your health. Breathe in and release all negativity as you breathe out. Now, notice your lower back and how it is pressing against the surface you are on. If it feels tensed, just stay longer with this body part to relax it a little more. Inhale. And exhale all negativity. And finally, bring your focus to your legs. Feel your legs relax as you breathe in and breathe out. Now, as you inhale and exhale, imagine all the negativity from your body every part that we focused on before. Release negativity with each exhale. Exhale all negativity and inhale positivity. Inhale. exhale. Very good. It's all coming out. You are feeling relieved. Notice this wonderful wave of relaxation moving down your entire body. You are feeling lighter, happier. Stay with this feeling. Now, let your breath become easier and slower. You are filled with positivity, and all the negativity has been released from your body. Now, slowly bring your consciousness to the here and now. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining us in this meditation.